The world of e-commerce is booming, and Amazon stands as a titan in this digital marketplace. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, presents an unparalleled opportunity to tap into this lucrative realm. Imagine this: you source products, list them on Amazon, and let Amazon handle the rest. This is the power of Amazon FBA. Consumers are increasingly turning to online platforms like Amazon for their shopping needs. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent seeking additional income, or an individual eager to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind, Amazon FBA offers a low barrier-to-entry business model with significant financial rewards. By outsourcing logistics to Amazon, you can focus on sourcing products, optimizing listings, and growing your brand. Amazon FBA, short for Fulfillment by Amazon, empowers individuals and businesses to sell products online with ease. It acts as your virtual warehouse, handling storage, picking, packing, and shipping. When a customer orders, Amazon takes care of everything. They pick, pack, and ship the order, ensuring timely delivery. Amazon FBA also handles customer service and returns. Sellers benefit from Amazon's brand recognition and prime shipping. The allure of Amazon FBA lies in its ability to transform the e-commerce landscape, making it accessible to individuals and businesses of all sizes. The benefits of using Amazon FBA are numerous and far-reaching, empowering sellers to streamline their operations, expand their reach, and maximize their profitability. One of the most significant advantages of Amazon FBA is the unparalleled convenience it offers. By outsourcing the logistical complexities of e-commerce to Amazon, sellers can free up valuable time and resources to focus on strategic aspects of their business, such as product sourcing, marketing, and customer relationship management. Another compelling benefit is Amazon's unrivaled fulfillment network. With fulfillment centers strategically located across the globe, Amazon FBA provides sellers with access to a vast and efficient distribution infrastructure. This enables businesses to reach a global customer base without the need for costly warehousing and shipping arrangements. Furthermore, Amazon FBA sellers benefit from the trust and credibility associated with the Amazon brand. When customers see the Fulfilled by Amazon badge on a product listing, they are more likely to trust the seller and make a purchase. This trust factor is invaluable in today's competitive e-commerce landscape. Starting an Amazon FBA business may seem daunting at first, but with a clear roadmap and a step-by-step approach, it becomes an achievable goal. Here's a beginner-friendly guide to help you embark on your FBA journey. First, create an Amazon seller account. The first step is to sign up for an Amazon seller account. You'll need to choose between an individual and professional selling plan. While the individual plan suits casual sellers, the professional plan offers more features and is ideal for those planning to sell high volumes. Next, product research. This is arguably the most crucial step in your FBA journey. Thoroughly research potential products to sell, considering factors like demand, competition, profit margins, and seasonality. Then, source your products. Once you've identified profitable products, find reliable suppliers or manufacturers to source your inventory. You can choose from various sourcing methods, including wholesale, private label, and drop shipping. Finally, create product listings. Craft compelling product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords to attract potential customers and drive sales. Section 5. Navigating the product maze. Choosing winning products for your FBA business. Product selection is the cornerstone of a successful Amazon FBA business. Choosing the right products to sell can make or break your venture. Here are some tips to help you navigate the product maze and identify winning products. 1. Focus on demand. Look for products with high demand and low competition. Use Amazon's bestseller rankings, keyword research tools, and Google Trends to gauge product popularity. 2. Consider profit margins. Aim for products with healthy profit margins, considering factors like sourcing costs, Amazon fees, and shipping expenses. 3. Evaluate seasonality. Be mindful of product seasonality. While some products sell year-round, others experience peaks and dips in demand depending on the time of year. And 4. Analyze competition. Study your competition closely. Analyze their pricing strategies, product listings, and customer reviews to identify areas where you can differentiate yourself and gain a competitive edge. Section 6, Mastering the Art of Inventory and Pricing, Essential Strategies for FBA Success. Effective inventory management and strategic pricing are crucial for maximizing profitability and ensuring a smooth-running Amazon FBA business. First, inventory management. Accurately forecast demand to avoid overstocking or understocking. Utilize Amazon's inventory management tools to track inventory levels, set reorder points, and prevent stockouts. Second, pricing strategies. Research competitor pricing and factor in your costs, including sourcing, Amazon fees, and shipping, to set competitive yet profitable prices. Consider using dynamic pricing strategies to adjust prices based on demand and competition. Third, order fulfillment. Ensure timely order fulfillment by keeping your inventory well stocked and monitoring your Amazon Seller Central account for new orders. And fourth, customer feedback. Actively monitor customer feedback and address any issues promptly. Positive customer reviews play a vital role in building trust and driving sales. Section 7. Inspirational Success Stories. Real-life examples of Amazon FBA triumphs. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable success through Amazon FBA. Here are a few inspiring examples. The single mom who built an empire. She grew her business into a multi-million-dollar empire. The college dropout who found his calling. He built a thriving business selling phone accessories, and the retired couple living their dream. They built a loyal customer base selling handmade jewelry. Section 8. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit. Embrace the power of Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA presents an unparalleled opportunity for individuals from all walks of life to embark on their entrepreneurial journeys and achieve financial independence. With its low barrier to entry, streamlined operations, and vast market reach, Amazon FBA empowers aspiring entrepreneurs to turn their dreams into reality. Remember, success in the world of Amazon FBA requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By following the steps outlined in this guide, conducting thorough research, and staying informed about the ever-evolving e-commerce landscape, you can position yourself for success in this exciting and rewarding industry.